Hope everybody's safe for the storm. Most everybody around here is leaving, I believe, but I'm gonna hang out for at least a little while. I got everything boarded up. Just finished boarding up windows and everything, so there she is. I got my dog boxes in both trucks so I can put dogs in trucks, because I imagine the water's gonna get high. It's like 1:30 p.m. It's supposed to make landfall tonight. It's starting to get a little bit loud. There had been like hundreds of birds flying in since daylight and over here in the field, but they're gone now. I imagine once this gets through, it's gonna be deep. I got old Betsy here though if I need her. I'm gonna get back inside, but I'm gonna try to keep going with some updates. See how it plays out, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty rough. So far so good. I think we got about 4.5 hours till the eye makes landfall. So that's another almost 5 hours till the eye is here. Somehow or another we still have power. It went off briefly, but it came right back on. It's dead right now. I was looking at just a minute ago. Just checking on things. I don't know how much you can see with a GoPro, but water's halfway up the fence. It's probably 2.5 foot deep going up the driveway. No water in the buildings yet. I don't think. No. It's whipping. I guarantee you we were just having 80-mile-an-hour gust. Roof appears to be on. Dogs are in a dog box. Well, it's like 7 a.m. I just did a quick walk around. I came out here at 1 o'clock the last time, about 30 minutes before the storm was actually by. And the waters went down a lot. It was up on the barn, right up touching the corner of the barn. When I went to bed, you can see them at the dog house. And that's going to be 2 foot deep there. It's going down. The roof of my shed, as you can see, it's shining over there. Looks like all the metal and everything's still in one shape. I mean, one piece. From there back, I could see trees all over the place, but I'll check that later. There's the piece of fascia, whatever you call it, fascia, whatever, not fascia, but anyway, yeah, that's blowed up. Be something to fix, but that's all I see. I can't believe the house took that. That was awful. That was the worst storm I've ever been through. There's stuff scattered everywhere. I think the neighbor lost. The dog pens are over there upside down. I think the neighbor lost some stuff because it sounded like metal whizzing by. I can't believe that's all that ripped off. I'm sure I'll find a little more damage, but I'm happy as can be with that. I thought that roof was going to go at any second. Pulled down here to Darren's to check his place out before I start hooking up generators. Got a lot of damage. That big old pine tree's been standing longer than I've been alive. It's on his shed. There's all kind of trees down there. His dog pens are gone. There's the roof to my shed. I don't know whose trampoline that is. Is that Darren's trampoline? Oh, okay. Triston said it was Darren's. I didn't remember him having it. Boat and stuff's over there. You probably can't hear it on the camera, but I can hear roofs, metal flapping on roofs over there. It looks like his roof's on too. See no busted windows. You can see them big old trees down. Looks like he made out okay other than his shed and dog pens and his fence. Did y'all have a wild ride? This water's going down a lot. You can see where it was all the way up here, another 50 feet. That's good. The wind was coming this way, so I had it pushed up here. You can see where it was. The roof is on this side of the shop. Got a roof on the dog pen? I ain't looking through to the sky. I said we got a roof on the dog pen. I could see part of it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that one. Yeah, about the time. Look at that tree. I don't remember what time it was. It was like 12, 12:30, whatever. It got right. Hmm. Yeah, when I came down here at 1 o'clock, it was up on the house. Roof's on the shed.
I'm surprised how this house is still standing.
Yeah, I don't know how that's still standing. Yeah, I can drive out. I can drive out in the Silverado. I don't even have to have a big truck. It ain't but 2 foot deep. It's going down fast. That wind's pushing it back out of here now, I think. Alright, I gotta fire up a generator. We went around for a couple hours and checked on neighbors and all that good stuff. Cleared trees out of a bunch of driveways. There's a lot of people out with tractors and chainsaws on the roads, opening roads up because you can't really go anywhere. Well, we've been running around helping people as much as we could today and got a lot done around here. When you pulled this pin up there, I built 2 of them on skids for this reason, so I could pull them up if I needed to. So. Got a couple in the truck, a couple in the pen, and 2 or 3 in the other truck. All fed and watered and pooped. Got old Emma over there. Let her be by herself. Got generators, running freezers and stuff at the shop, and I just fired the generator up at the house. So I believe we're about to go inside and come up with something for dinner. About to get some venison burgers on the grill.
Oh, that smells good.
Got the old dried oak. Gonna be tasty. Well, Tristan don't like talking to the camera, but let me show you the old grill master here.
What?
What?
Huh?
What? You got it going on?
My eyes burn.
That's not like from the
Oh, yeah. This is lifted. That's not really lifted. There's a tree on the right. Trying to hit it.
Trying to get this motor around it if I can.
I'm special.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
Why'd you get out?
I don't think it would push easily.
Nice lawnmower floating back there.
Yeah.
Hey, man. I would like to in-tray the boat.
So this is the trail, but there's trees down. So I don't know, maybe that way might be better.
On the way.
Over there looks more open than here.
Probably gonna have to go around, Tristan.
Yeah.
There's a fence right there to the trees on. You can go by the dump trailer probably.
Are you even using the trolling motor?
No, not right now, I ain't. If you want me to, I can. It's wide open. You're the one that was taking off, so I can turn it off.
Not fully. Yeah, we can go on
It doesn't really look the same whenever it's all flooded. I'm trying to think about where the shed would even be at.
Where the donkey
I see a cattle trailer. No, that's around.
Go to the left, it looks like,
Okay,
Tristan.
shed's there. The boat is not in here.
There's a fishy.
You talking about the boat that's floating right there?
Floating? Yeah, that's a boat.
So where do you think they're at?
In the very back.
Past the creek.
We gotta go over the fence?
The bridge, no. There's
It's
a gate somewhere. Oh yeah,
You run the motor?
no, I'm fine.
Why don't you get on? I can just drive us right over there to it.
I don't
Whatever.
even know where. It's so hard to even tell where the stuff is. The gate should be there somewhere. That tree isn't supposed to be there.
Hmm?
That tree isn't supposed to be there. So you could have guessed that. That's a big old tree down.
How many animals you got on?
There's 2.
Two go.
Okay, the gate's open, so I think we can probably go to the left. Of
Yeah,
the
go to
tree.
the left and then go under the tree.
Huh?
Go to the left by the big oak and then go under the down tree.
Okay.
Yeah, the gate's open, so that's good. That hay bale right there was under that shed.
Whose boat is that?
That's ours.
Do a lot with it, huh?
We'll take it out and let someone else.
Yeah.
Where was
The shed is in the same location. It's the little carport thing over the shed. Well, we're not sitting under here.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, we're gonna take a can you go all the way around there? No?
I can go through right here, then swing it.
Maybe.
I wonder what's on the other side.
Try. I can. Talented.
I don't know what's on the other side of that house.
We can,
get through over there.
We can get through right here, I think.
Yeah.
If we can go over this limb. If not, don't even try. Yeah, okay.
That was easy.
Well, yeah, but no.
Well, we got to get out of the chairs and fold the seats down now. Not easy.
Got it?
Hmm? Yep, we're clear.
Man can't bend all his ways.
We're clear, yeah.
Nowhere. This way.
I wasn't anticipating this tree here.
Can we go under that one?
Yeah. Or we can open this gate and go right under, back under here.
It's probably about the same.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
How far we got to get to the creek?
It shouldn't be too far.
About 8,550 yards in between that.
8,550. I don't see no donkeys in the trees, but
Well, that's always good.
Oh, there's one.
let's make sure we don't rip nothing off. Tristan, go slow. We're barely clearing this one.
Oh wow, I gotta bend down. I'm the short one. I shouldn't have to do all that.
Okay, we're almost there. I can see the
Yeah,
trees on the other side.
I just don't want to step in the ditch instead of the bridge. Father, head.
I can get to the bridge. It looks like that tree might be over it.
Something tickle my leg.
Perfect.
See it.
Why don't we get
Fun. I'm having fun. Let me have my donkey.
There's a donkey.
Oh, good.
There's two of them right there.
Okay.
They're on a little bank.
That's the bank of the creek.
Alright, time to back up.
Time to back up.
No, we need to go to them. I need to see what the other side of the creek looks like.
You can go. That's just weeds backed up right there, Tristan. We can go right through it.
Okay.
She's stuck in that vine. Do you have your phone on you?
No.
I know you don't have your stuff.
It's in my pocket in the dry case.
Hey, doggy, doggy. These boys are enjoying this cooler weather. It was like 66 here this morning. I'm cooking sausage. What are you doing, Otis? The water's gone down a lot, and it's not far from being back to normal now. Or at least here. It's high in a lot of places. Huh? What you eating? A camera? Yeah, you gonna talk to the camera?
Yeah,
What is that?
it's a hunting.
The hunting camera, yeah. Is that Jello good? Is that Jello good? Yeah. Got the old venison sausage here. Pretty good. Well, it's Wednesday now. We're hoping to get power within the next couple days, at least by Sunday. Hoping by Friday. All the water's gone down. Everything's back to normal here, basically. We gotta do some more dog pen work and stuff like that, but everything's pretty well back to normal, except for the power. The Withlacoochee River still rising a bunch, so a lot of those houses along the river are flooding and it's still rising, so a lot of those folks got it bad. We're fortunate. I think the only thing that's changed not having power really is just running the AC, but it's probably 70 degrees right now, so it's not bad. It just gets a little warm in the middle of the day. we'll keep everybody in our prayers. But that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.